What is up, guys? It's Rick, the legendary cop car explorer. Today we're gonna be searching this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. I got it from a wholesaler who says he got it from a police agency that he was not allowed to name. We're gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment, or whatever I can get my hands on. So this looks in excellent condition. Besides the dust, the tires are in real good condition. The Unity spotlights are looking clean. All right, let's take a quick look inside. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I found in here. And look what it came with. Look at this awesome Code 3 light bar. It's a RX 2700. It actually works. And look at that, it works, heck yeah. I was thinking of maybe putting this one in the movie car. So what do you guys think? Movie car? Let me know, yes or no. I get so excited when I get a new cop car to search, when I find new goodies, and I find these goodies a new home. Before I started the channel, I thought I was a complete weirdo. When a cop car would fly down going Code 3, I would pull out my phone, take pictures, and all my friends would just flip the car off instead. But now I know that I'm not alone. I have you guys to share all this, and for that I am very thankful. Bunny Man is thankful too. And I want to give a huge thanks to this video sponsor, Wall Robots. Sponsors like this allow me to take time to make these videos possible. Wall Robots is an action-packed tactical multiplayer game with 6 versus 6 team battles in real time. If you know me, you know I love me some Wall Robots. I just love the satisfaction of strategically taking down enemy robots. You can directly help this channel by downloading Wall Robots to the link down in the description right now. If you install now, you get a huge starter pack of 1 destroyer robot plus a unique skin for it, a full set of weapons, 100 gold, and 400,000 silver. Now that is huge. You'll be ready for battle along millions of other players worldwide. And you best believe the District 76 police officers are one of them. Loyalist and even Funny Man himself is too. Wall Robots has rich 3D graphics, smooth gameplay. There is a huge variety of futuristic robots and weapons to best fit your playing style. There are constant updates with new robots, new maps, new game modes. Developers have already started to prepare for the upcoming Christmas and New Year. Let's play together. Ooh! Alright, let me show you guys what's in the back. Whoa, we got a criminal. Can I see your license and registration, proof of insurance?
It's right here, copper. Hey, you get my gun out of the trunk and then shoot yourself with it.
Yeah. All right. So check it out. This prisoner restraint system comes with super strong magnets, which is pretty freaking cool. And check this out over here. Let me get my tools and remove that real quick. Forgot my power tool, so I hate having to do this by hand. Okay, we're looking at a Whelen rear deck Talon. It's untested, so cross your fingers. Come on. Here goes nothing. Yeah, blue. Nice. I don't think I ever got one of these, a Whelen or Code 3, that didn't work. These things last, no matter how beat up they get. Drug violation guide. Oh, look what we have here. Taffy Duck. Here, he can ride up there. Now this thing is so you can add stuff back here. I don't know what he added, what he had back there, but Jotto desk, looks like a laptop stand or something. So this car is going to become a security car. Okay, now why the hell would he put a sticker right on the thing and mess it all up? Oh, that's super bright. Cool. I don't know if it's just me, but this looks so wimpy. I don't know if I would stop if a security guard was chasing me with this thing on top of his car. Sup, buddy?
How you been?
All right, how you been?
Good. Nice to see you again.
Check it out.
Get out. Let's check it out. See if it works. It's actually pretty sweet. I'm an LED guy, kind of guy, but
yeah. It actually looks kind of silly. Right? Check this out, guys. The cop or security left his duty belt behind. Special officer. How cool is that? Peerless handcuffs. So the winner of the last engraved handcuffs is this guy right here. And the winner of the Bitcoin is this guy right here. Contact me. I messaged you, so now I just need you to email me right here. So for this video, I will be giving away this. I'll sign and engrave it like the other ones. So you know what you gotta do, just comment handcuffs. Holy crap, I didn't even see this. Cup bar. Oh, nice. Dude, that is so sick. Look at that. So, let me demonstrate for you guys. I just spent like an hour trying to adjust this to my size. But I got it, I think, kinda. I had to make some cuts. So, according to the video, this is a concealed knife. And you have last minute. How cool is that? Also, the movie gun kinda fits here. Drop the weapon down! Now I haven't really had a chance to look in here yet. So there's still that chance of a biscuit. Yeah. Did I tell you my sidekick told me that I would find a gun by this summer? I mean, I guess the summer's over.
Summer's over, so it looks like you have to wait till next summer.
Yeah.
So,
door panels. Property.
Evidence, property.
Hey, look, a blue snake!
What the heck?
Oh, you fell for it. Oh!
I think it's supposed to go on the top.
Yeah, I know, but it's just Layard Technologies.
You can actually take that magnet off. Yeah, you can take the magnet off.
Oh, yeah.
Put it right on a
Holy
regular.
crap, I didn't even notice that.
See, look.
Oh,
bam.
What? Nice.
Another antenna.
CPI. Check it out. Some type of bracket. Goes like right here or something.
Yeah.
Dre Dog, I hate you with a passion. Holy key.
Dre Dog.
I've
never heard of him.
Yeah, he hates you with a passion, I'll tell you that much. What the heck is this? Oh, I was hoping for a weapon.
Oh, that's
Friggin' haircut kit.
Yeah.
Bullets. Heck is this?
Where does this go? In here?
Yeah, I just know.
What is that?
I don't know. Holy crap. Crown, sign. You know what this is?
Wangler instrument?
This is an enhanced interrogation toolkit. You know what I'm talking about?
So
like you want to get the truth out of somebody,
whoa.
you just dig this in their nails.
No. You can jam these under their nails.
Yeah. Oh my!
Under
Look,
their
he
fingernails.
pulled like teeth out and
dude.
stuff with this.
This goes like behind your eyeball.
Oh
like right
gosh, that's
Right
terrible.
there.
Look at this. Yeah, look, it's an eyeball separator. Oh my
It looks
goodness. I mean, that's just my guess.
Oh, I like these tweezers though. Those are cool.
Yeah, like oh my gosh. Hey, look, here's like so
Safety
you don't
goggles?
get blood,
Splashback.
right? Blood on your face or stuff in your eyes.
Dude,
And like this is where you mark
these are scary.
where you're gonna cut. That's crazy. Look, tooth separator. I think, I don't know. I'm just.
So what does it say?
It says position kit. I don't know. This is definitely strange, I'll tell you that much.
Oh, dude, this is what I think it is. That's disgusting.
What is that?
So I know what this is now. This is like a dental torture kit. No, I'm serious.
Serious?
Look, these are fake teeth in there.
What the heck?
Look, that's freaking weird. That's
But
like
what-
a fake tooth.
What are you gonna do with the fake tooth though? Mirror head. Okay.
Look, prep K tooth veneer. So you make this is like a front tooth, a fake one,
Yeah,
but
that's probably to practice, like how you're gonna pull them out
oh yeah, huh?
or something.
Well, here, let's try it. Here.
A me?
No.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna get. So this is probably what you do. You gotta torture them like this. There's a cavity. Oh gosh. Dude, that sounds so real.
God. Oh, stupid cat scared me again.